Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick review of converting within the metric system. So that's us using our staircase there. Most of you guys have been pretty good at this, but I just wanted to make sure that we were all on the same page. So this is our staircase that we have going on over here. So kilo is at the top because it's the prefix for the longest measurement, or at least the longest measurement that we're talking about. As we mentioned in class, there are longer bigger units than kilo, but these are sort of the ones that we're focusing on. And we've talked about how it's a base 10 system, which means when we go up or go down, we're always going with a factor of 10. So we're multiplying on the way down, which makes sense because if we have smaller units, we're going to need more of them to go the same direction. And on the way up, if we have larger units, we won't need as many of them. So I believe in class, some of you have noticed that the digits should always stay the same when we're within the metric system. The digits should always stay the same. It's just because we're always just multiplying or dividing by 10. So for this first example, we have 75 millimeters, so milli is right here. And we want to go to decimeters, so we're going to go up 1, 2. So if we're going up, that means we're dividing. So we have 75 divided by, and then we can think about it different ways. So we went up 2 steps so that we could think of 10 to the power of 2. Which is 100. So it's sort of, so you can write 75 divided by 10 to the power of 2, or you can write divide by 100, whatever makes you happy. And again, we can think about if we're dividing, our decimal is moving 2 places to the left. So .75 millimeters is the same distance as 0.75 decimeters. For our next example, we have 4.7 kilograms, and we want to know how many grams that is. So K is kilo, then we're going down 1, 2, 3 steps to get to the base unit, which is grams. So if we're going down, then we're multiplying. So we have 4.7 multiplied by 10. We went down 3 steps, so that's 10 to the power of 3. Or you can think of it as like 10 to the power of 3 is the same as 1,000. So whichever way you want to do that. And then, so we have 4.7. Move the decimal place 1, 2, 3. When we have these open spots, we got to put zeros in there. So that's 4,700 grams is the same as 4.7 kilograms. So those are just 2 examples of how we convert within the metric system. So always it's important to find out where we're starting with, what unit we're starting with, what unit our goal is, count the steps, be careful whether you're going down the steps or up the steps, and then we're either multiplying or dividing. So down the steps we're multiplying, up the steps we're dividing. And yeah, so that's how we convert within the metric system.